And there it is. This small tiny eggplant produced this massive vegetable. Look at the size of this thing. This thing is huge. I just cut it, and I'm gonna go ahead and prepare a meal with this. All right, backyard gardening. Huge, massive.
Heavy.
Alright guys, just did some harvesting of this thick leaf callaloo, and look at the size of these leaves, guys. These are massive leaves. These are the ones that were planted in backyard on the plastic. Plastic was covering the soil, and then